Good afternoon, country people. Then we glad say we don't meet up una again for this side for Equinox Story House. We try number them for this afternoon. We go talk this palaver for Corona. We as soon as sabi since some morning time, according to wetin wey Minister for Sick People then says he talk, he say number he don't go for up. We get 9 cases for inside Douala, where they join 6 other new cases for Yawende and 1 new case for that side. So for Bafusam inside Tori for this afternoon, we go take una, we go for Ebolova. How the people them they will follow commandeer where Prime Minister Igiam, or we say we go take we own crocro eye for see this palaba. Then we go take una too, we enter for inside the Ketu them office now for that side for Bonan job where they talk na mobile intervention Ketu JMI where was thrown as Sabi. Them say they be cash now some 3 people them with their own work now for the use taxi thief people them inside town. We go talk that palava too for Tori for this afternoon. Now so too we go take una, we talk as we people that they hear about for carry die body them go for village. We be there for that side for Bangolan where it is so for carry die body reach for they just now. Sika palava for northwest and southwest. We no dey at all. We get newspaper them where they dey for we before. We will go bring them all this afternoon. Big Patrick, it tell we say person where he no fit use a finger for count it then if he also use a tongue. Say person where he no fit use finger for count it teeth if he use a tongue. Big Patrick, he come out now for Ajan Divine Edishidon for Forever Bonaberry. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people them. We don't glad again. Plenty glad say oh man. I so meet up una for morning time una so define. Palava for this sick way they call them say Corona way the worry people them. People that they never sabi say na true thing. Na just for say make we continue for lookout. Now for early morning time today around that kind of 20 minutes past 7 way a minister Dr. Malauda Manashi he announced say they so just now he beg all people them for continue for the respect the clean condition the way they don't get for people them for look at them. And as we talk he said they be test 26 people them inside a palava for Corona. Inside that 16 they get the case, 9 now for inside Douala, 6 for Yawende and 1 for Bafusam, and total just now for Cameroon now 56 according to waiting with Dr. Malauda Malashi, Minister for Sick People them says in the talk. And as so na sabi one of the team them or the team that way they beg say make all man try for do am. Now for do waiting try for say make you know the cough for corner some person. When you the cough you hide them up, when you the sneeze you hide them up. Time where it dey so you must wash your hand all time. Make you know chop up, make you know embrace some person, stand up for corner or far away from people them if they over there them plenty. That thing to a doctor they wear them for their face before they tear money belly for hospital. When you dey for inside population you want cough, where you sabi say you get cough, you get for cover your skin. So now just some of the thing them that where they did try and would also continue for talk say make una di do am so that una no go catch this war sick where it dey worry all corner inside we country. We sabi say with all money hand all man if it come out this war sick where they call am say Corona for outside we country. Now as so na sabi one of the thing them where Chief Dr. Joseph John Gutebi talk say make people then say they no do am na this palava for Okada. Now Okada then that for inside Ebolowa will enter for this afternoon. Okada man, this one on see am fine. Okada man they carry sote 4 people them. You see the first person for before small pikin, you see in fact he carry na 6 not be na 5 2 4 6 na 6 plus the Okada man where they don't talk say make they know the join people then. So now for Okada plays that now for inside the Bolowa Amos will surely turn back for that one. Now just some of the thing them that where we sabi say Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute one of the commander them he talk hoha say make they know the join but that's why they see 6 people them. You get first man for before Okada man, small pikin for middle, mami, small pikin, another mami. Now the thing then that and the Okada man he dey fine. According to them, they talk say that thing na lie. Say no fit happen. Na for sick whether they dey join. Apart from this case, one na the same way carry na so take 6 people them. The one in own case na the one for carry 6 people them one time. One of the commander them for inside Ebolowa way the show. Say the big people them for Ebolowa they know the work. We get plenty of this Okada people there. They also carry two people them. Even as well they don't talk say no for this palava, but they also carry am. You know Sabisa way you carry a sick. Inside the motor 2 under the Siam, motor says man where they carry motor, all the people there under the Siam, all then they get for enter. Now for inside that taxi, and they don't beg say make taxi people then too, they don't carry people there. So they Siam, man no even get space for before where driver the shidon, now them 4 they the shidon, picking. And 2 people them on top that one driver to go can she down for the same place. Then for back they don't park, so take 4 people them. Now just some of the thing then that we would also continue for cry and with the beg say make all na where una they carry people them make una try for respect commandeer where it is on governor it don't give am and that commandeer na say make una no over tight people them inside motor make una no over tight people them on top Okada na palava for Okada man and 1 person for back. No be na Okada man and 2 people them, Okada man and 3 people, or Okada man and 4 people then. And motor that way it don't carry more than 2 days. And this palava too for salute, Amos will surely turn back small. This palava for salute, they don't talk. Say make you know the salute people them hand. They don't talk say make you know the salute people them, but these 2 Okada people them, they talk say that sick in no day for Ebolova. So they go so continue for salute. You see they salute, they say say that sick no fit come for Ebolova. Say the sick no even they say for country. Now so they talk they behave like doubting Thomas them. Now it means say now so the time where the thing don't touch them. Now that time they go understand say true thing where it happen. Now thing where it really pass for inside our country. So all that thing that we don't show them. Now some of the thing then that way Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute talk say make moto them and even Okada people then say they no do them. Make we laugh small, Donald Trump and Papa for Roma. Unasia.
Melania been going between him and Melania lately. So when Trump reached out, I know that he had to be disappointed that been going between him and Melania lately. So when Trump reached out, I know that he had to be disappointed that
Yes, Sabi said this palava for Corona, they don't talk, say they no get for salutes or even turn up over. But President, head boy for America, he ever like his own kind of thing the way they like for do am. But Sabi said this palava for Corona will be go to for church for Loom. Yesterday will be day a Sunday for try for check whether church he enter. If plenty people them too they come for church. First thing we will see am now this palava way all my way they enter church. Soap be there for dumb up for church. You touch your soap, you go wash your hand. As well you wash your hand, na so you dey enter for door, you dey enter for church. And Sabi say as well you wash your hand, you enter for church. For dumb up, even Father says he be turn up for dumb up for church. He dey put people them that water where you dey use and wipe your skin with them. You see, I know use and wipe your hand. You wipe a hand, you wash your hand with it. They call them say hand sanitizer. That Queen Elisa I country talk when a white man he own water. Where if you know and wash your hand with the water or soap, if you just put them inside where you get spirit itself for inside. For the church say will enter, people that no be there inside church plenty. So you be fit for count number for people them where they be there inside churches today. They no be over plenty. Church it be happen with small number for people that way they become for church. So Father for that side, so for inside alone it be respect commandeer for say make plenty people that no come and see as we all man it be she done for church. It means say even money where they give for offering it be go down for church. Plenty of the church them yesterday as we Tori enter we hear we hear say someone them they be send a number for tingny way if you send the money for your offering as we the prayer for house as we Tori enter we hear. So now just so we meet up church them for that side for Loom. Yesterday, now just for same we continue for follow up on top the commander with Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute Ibikiam. But waiting for that girl for talk on top this palava. It be the talk for Jacquino Molomi microphone.
This coronavirus way they for upside and way they worry all whole world. Government we don't give some decision. Say make we must follow one. And we, like a Christian, we try to follow all thing where government you don't talk, particularly for this morning time. Only one entrant, it be there for mission, and any Christian will be come, it be get for wash his hand which is soup fine before enter for church. And when it enter for church, it be sure say no be for some short distance for a neighbor. That means say we don't try for make say distance between two persons, it must be long. And we know say we first arm na prayer, and we have to follow thing where government don't talk.
Now, further that for Catholic Church for site for Loom, it did talk for with this palaver for Corona. We go left Corona small, we enter for quarter sabi say even as we Corona day, people then with the thief, they also continue for the do their work. For inside mobile intervention to them office, GMI2 for Douala here for Bonanjo. Now for that side country people they will take una enter for them. Now palaver for moto. You na see that taxi no? Taxi way turn up for them, a taxi that way it the thief people them inside town for Douala here as we to re-enter we here. Driver with another person, then another woman where the ever she done for back the motor, where anytime where people they enter for inside the motor, they the thief people them inside the motor, only for say waiting, the people they don't enter for this. So just now, after we get to them, their office, GMI, it be get plenty of data complain them in mobile intervention K2 for Bonanjo. Now so themselves they start for follow, make investigate. Last, they can pick this motor. When at the motor, we plenty people them they don't ever give complaints say they use them thief other people them for inside town here. Sabi self setter will be land for villa side. They tell we say they sabi the motor, say the motor plenty time. It don't the thief people them and the motor it the run. So just now they don't catch the motor and catch the people them too. Where they ever thief other people them when they enter inside the motor, investigate, it the pass. Who side the people there where they point finger for them, say na them they do also the take una enter back for inside mobile intervention to them office. Now the driver that for motor, we plenty people them for inside village. They talk say they sabi demand plenty. Say plenty of the time, they carry people them, then they thief people them inside the motor. You know the work E1, now it come be this, now one of your partner that way they the work, one mob, now way they ever thief people them for inside the motor. Whenever the people they enter for the taxi, as well they put it in there for hand. Woman where she done so for back, now they are combi too. Yes, make una no surprise. The woman, now the ever she done, they say that the choose woman the everyday bet balok, a cash, say na the woman where they catch you. So the woman, the ever she done for back the motor, now the control all thing from back motor. So it's it been a strong combi for inside this tip for a motor as well Tori enter for we ear. So just now, get to them for that side. So for GMI2 for Douala here for Bonanjo, they make investigate on top these people them as well they find one last person when at their combi where we hear say SSF it don't run enter for Sosongo. So even as well Corona day, they this also continue for thief. Make we hear wait away the only woman inside the group for two, it talk as well the binet Ediwaka.
Oh, we just come around town. Yes, they come. Oh, they come. Sometimes we walk 20,000. Sometimes we 30,000. Sometimes they maybe get ourselves. Yes. Inside the group, we do 5. We walk inside the our money will be inside 2,000. If you have 30,000, our money will be 3,000. Inside the money. They move for 1,000 instead of 100,000. That's how much. They move now 1,000 inside the money they give a percentage. Go now they pay motor, other kinds of pay driver. They might they do the work. When they move the money, they take the highest amount. When just shoot up back, they do another 3,000. Sometimes they do work fine. They give like 20,000, 10,000. I come on team. I be yamba. My papa na uza.
One of the women them that with that 2 man picking that use thief people them for inside motor. He never finish talk. Make we continue here the other part for a talk we get for talk for we.
Better things at the work. As I start the work, it might be me up to going to 2 months. I start the work. And if alter they come, people and they change girls them. Yes. And they think that so I don't know. Let me all time I walk the walk. Yes. Now they should don't go back. I show like passenger. Person should don't say motor no. Where person just look, person see appearance, enter the motor to no fear that kind of thing. That's all. I just should don't. I don't know it's the person where they do own kind when they do the work them. The person they fun. So me I don't know. It's me I should be a back seat. Sit there for fun no the back and for that they should don't. No man no they walk back and they feel like.
Now just so as so talk, one of their combi them way so run, okay, to them, they define it with a touch. And just now we go land for that side for Kumba. Sabi say Paramount Chief for people them for that side for Kumba. From V.E. Mukete. Just now, he don't get person where he go turn up for or he back. If by mistake he get for go walk away, he no go turn back. So just now, Prince Ekoko Mukete last speaking for V.E. Mukete who here say they around that kind of 55 years. Now he says way they don't put he on top chair where he go sit down for the space when from V.E. Mukete he go waka, they no come back. Sabi say na this weekend for that side say for Kumba, we from V.E. Mukete Paramount Chief for all for people them for Kumba, he put a Prince Ekoko like the person where if it we get right just now for choppy chair anytime where he go walk away he no turn back. So if then a big ngando for that side, so for inside the Kumba and for fun a palace as we the give official Prince Ekoko Mukete the power say if it the shidon for on top chair time we fun V.E. Mukete sesep he no go dey so he don't be sure say if pa he waka he no turn back na Prince Ekoko Mukete we be na last speaking for pa na SSF he go shidon on top that chair and he go be the paramount chief for people them for Bafor for Kumba side. But just now it's also be like the prince where they don't put he say anything if it happen he go shidon on top the chair. So for now for V.E. Mukete is also there as we una sabi. We go take una go for West Region for Bangurain for talk say Colonel Charles Allen and Ilamboy them. They begin them na 5 days and for inside 5 days they don't go find work. Now they can't go them that for that boy the way they hold gun where they go find them. So now for inside near them office of Bangurain for West Region. Now for this is way Colonel Charles Allen he try for talk say this so the work it no be easy but last they begin them time where place where begin at 40 kilometers. They be use or they be get for waka for around 800 to 1,000 kilometers before they meet up with that boy them and they take now 5 days before they do other one. Sabi say inside the fight where they fight country people them now where they come out auditing them. So for the different camp them where they be wakari so they according to way Colonel Charles Allen he talk he say as where they be the fight with the boy them Tori way he enter where he says he talk he try for talk say the keys on one general action man way according to Colonel Charles Allen now them says it be there for the people them where they become attack for that side. So for Galim for number 7 breaking number 8 day inside this very moment day for inside. So just now big man General Kavalem be there and even big man says for Ketu them for site for Bamenda for near them where they call it Oga a Congress or then says they be there where they be show them auditing them where it they so they be cash for operation where these people then says they make for that side. So for inside Northwest Sabi say na a boundary between Northwest and West Region. The one they don't talk say the fight it never finish. There's also get for continue for the work as well the big people themselves they take time waka see all the different office them for near them and soldier them plus get to them and they don't talk say may they continue for the shine their eye on top this work where they do as we they sabi say place it is also kene. And as well I talk for now, country people them for Sika this palava where they happen for Northwest and Southwest. We go take una go for Bangulan for thy body for reach for Bangulan now. People they suffer. Yes, they put thy body now for on top truck. For Sika say they don't dig cut road. So when no day now for on top truck as well you say and they carry them for their heads. they come for here, then truck in the wait. So when no day at all, as well people then say when they the one waka go bury people them, when no day them at all, they get for carry their body for their head. Then when they reach to some level, they put an for truck, as well see them for here, road it don't cut, so they get for weight. They turn up on top, then they carry the dead body for out that side before they go carry truck now, put them on top. So just for tell we say if you see person he die for some kind of village way place in the kene, it make them plenty people them they know the fit for go for day only for sick as a road in no day and people they get for carry the dead body suffer with them plenty for road like this one at the same so they don't cut na road for here so it make them way even motor. You know the fit for cross again. We no day at all. So now people they suffer just now for say make thy body a rich village for say make the burial. And so the one na road for go for Bangulan now for inside the northwest region where the place they now so they suffer commode thy body on top truck. The truck say go they'll carry them. Put them on top before all thing happen. So it been a strong thing for inside Bangulan. Since we there for northwest, just for Sabi say Sunday where it pass legislative vote where they be council it be turned back from Bengui as so enter for this home to re-enter with ESA Bengui the vote it be happen even as we plenty people them they no be come out as we they be the wait but the people they say when they run for go for inside honor for go for National Assembly. They be there. Security says we be there for say make the vote. It happen in the proper. As we Tory enter we here, Bengui, it be hot for some time before this vote. And the tell we say plenty people them. They no come up plenty for outside. As we Tory, it enter for inside we here. But anyhow it won't be, the vote, it pass fine. No nothing, it no be happen. Like say they shoot some person or they thief some person. So all thing, it work fine for that side. So for inside Bengui now for northwest we did it just now so Bengui it be there for morning time day for the vote. We get we take on a turn back from Bengui for morning time for time with that vote before vote be one start. Just so now only popcorn be the holla from Bengui for early morning time before votes. It be one start but no nothing no be pass. Make we hear wait till one of the woman way they so they come back for hope say they go vote it back for turn back for National Assembly. A talk for we.
I feel first worried because the expected militants, faithful friends, sympathizers of goodwill where they began for join me in this task today and reaffirm my going back. Many of them no go be able to come out because of fear. But I want to encourage many as we fit, say make them come out. I feel fulfilled. Say I don't keep the faith and the desire to serve. The opportunity be lost. I be sure say it no go be by my fault, but now other circumstances beyond my own explanation.
And for place where they call them say town, we come on now enter for town SSF for inside Bamenda. Sabi say for Bamenda SSF, some place then SSF the day where they be day quiet for inside the town. As way they be the votes in our government school place that where they be get for vote. Plenty of the place they be day quiet. As way now one person it be the come for inside for come vote. So the population it no be over there that kind of way. Sabi say now for inside town for Bamenda side where it is so Gratango and even governor for Northwest region, Oga Adob Lele Lafrique, they be vote. And when you see the count for both, it shows say CPDM be carry 31 and SDF way it carry 5 for all the country they be doing for all. It be then yesterday after the vote way they make them. But Sabi say now for inside a town SSF we minister for territorial administration for that side for CS intended for now for this way it is so plenty of the big people then SSF they be vote country people them as soon as sabi Gra Tango said na be one of the first people them for put a hand for vote. We be talk with one person for that side, so for Bamenda after the vote. Make we hear wait to get for talk for we.
Big time, because last time we be do them, this time around we will do them. 100 times we will win, 100 times, even if they run the elections 100 times. CPDM no they have a joke, because the young people and the people of Bamenda and Bali, they get confidence on me. They don't talk seriously and me I go represent them. Even 100 times we go represent them. They go still decide to represent them. Valid.
And just for Sabi say it be then operation hide face. Any man where they can look at list or a name for list where they put them, or man it be the tongue for see say make camera in no picky face for sika palaba so Sabi place in the kene for that side, so for Bamenda. So plenty the one the way they be come up for vote. As so that they can look their name them for list, all man be the cover a face for say make no person in no even catch a face say it is so it don't come vote for that side. So for Bamenda as we Tori enter for we here. Minister Felix Mbayu now one of the people them to the vote for up side for Bamenda. It will be talk for we after we be finish vote.
As we know, the last time we came here we vote we been win. But Constitutional Court will come back. We come back because we believe, say, every Cameroonian therefore respect the Republican institutions. And we be ready for come back as many times as necessary, as long as Constitutional Court never pass final decision. So we ask all people to learn how to respect the institutions of our country, because not only by doing so, we will bring peace, development, and justice, what we all wish for. But I also want to thank the defense and security forces, where they don't help to create these conditions, but we vote peacefully. I see them with my own eyes as they transport the militants to the other political party, make them go vote. I hope they could be honest enough to admit, say the security forces, they be impartial, and they not go talk, say they be favors on one side. But also for beg or for invite all we picking them with sisters, with brothers, where they sit there for house. Say nothing not gonna happen for them, meet the council account. You know if you stay for house, lock yourself inside your own house. Expect change. Because you know if you wish me things then get better, and then the only way the minutes some different man do and be able to come out with your own food, with your own skin, come vote. And the hope say they will come. Now the thing will come for do today, and we're glad we don't do it.
Minister Felix Mbayu the way they talk for we for there, and just for Sabi this sick corona plenty people that they talk say why they not be postponed, why they not be changed date for this vote. As well they be vote, as well Gra Tango, Pa Fayongo Francis, and even the big people that go vote. Them too they be get for wash their hand before they enter. Now for tell we say true, that's sick, not true, no be na palaba for play. Gra Tango, he wash his hand. Doblele Lafrique, governor for Northwest, it will wash his hand. For side from Bengui, we be meet up na bucket and soap. We as we touch soap, you open that tap for under, you wash your hand. All them. Now wait for we for talk say no for this war secret they call them. Say corona, we the worry people them. Country people them, now so we own eye them they see country, but how newspaper they see their own country. Make we enter for the Star newspaper way they outside this afternoon, country people them. Inside the Star newspaper, one of the strong number for day, now say big man where it the lookout a company where they the lookout light for country. He don't talk this palava cut where they cut light all time. Waiting the big man talk, if he enter for the Star with their side, the Star too we turn back for tell we as we Kabayege Jibril. He don't turn back for on top chair like Togman for inside National Assembly. 47 year where don't be like Honor. 28 year where don't be like a head boy. They don't vote again back on top. If you read other plenty to read them with the Star to read people them. They gather them for now only for go buy your own Star newspaper where it day outside. Guidance post in the talk as well plenty people that don't provoke for that side for Jacquerie after we some boy dem wey dey say they be armed, they shoot some man and a woman for public. Wetin be really pass, if you read am for the Guardian Post, the Guardian Post says it tell we palava Trump billionaire man for country, photo Victor wey is sleep straight, waiting be pass, you fit for read am. Now so today the tell we just now for bar for people them. Prince Ekoko na go look out chair if from be him go. The Post it tell we say people they no be come up plenty, two people them sleep straight. Say na just some of the thing them that will be happen for Birmingham as so they be make vote for legislative. We enter for inside the Sun newspaper, inside the Sun newspaper where they tell we say big trouble a day for inside we country. We turn back for this side. We don't finish story for this afternoon country people them. So na Sabi we go surely turn back tomorrow for some other newspaper the way they did for outside. Una hold am tight.